So my aunt Hazel just found a starfish over here. This is starfish. It looks alive. Looks alive. Starfish. So what you're gonna say about the starfish?
Well, it's true.
And where did you get the starfish?
That I don't know. I just saw it there.
Okay. I just saw that starfish a long time ago, but
It
Oh.
appears when we open the star margarine.
what?
It appears when we open the star margarine. You know star margarine?
What?
When we open that, it appears like that.
Starfish. So for this, guys, bye.